Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Dear children, today we will continue the lesson number 8, that is commands in Logo. In this chapter, we will learn how to use the pen up and pen down commands. We will also learn how to clear the screen, how to use the pen erase command, and how to change the pen color. Let's start it. First, we will learn how to use the pen down and pen up command. You are watching three boxes on the screen. But have you noticed that how to draw the another box without drawing a line? To do this, we will use the pen up and pen down command. First, we will use CS command. CS stands for clear the screen. With the help of this command, we can clear all the drawing from the screen. To draw the first square, we will use the FD command. We will type FD100 and press enter. Now we will use RT90 to turn the turtle face towards 90° right side. Again we will use FD100. After that we will use RT90. Similarly we will use the FD and RT command to draw a square. Now first square has been drawn on the screen. Now we want to draw another square at the left side of this square. So first we will move the turtle to the left of this side without drawing a line. If you don't want to draw a line, so we will use the pen up command. PU stands for pen up. We will type PU. After that we will press enter. Now PU command has been activated. Now we will type FD100 and press enter. Now only turtle will move without drawing a line. Now we want to draw a line, so we will use the PD command. PD stands for pen down. We will type PD and press enter. Now we will type FD100. Now the pen down command has been activated. Now it will draw a line of 100 steps. Now we will use the FD100 and RT90 commands to draw a square. Now the second square has been drawn on the screen. Now we want to draw another square at this place, that is right of the center square. To draw at the right side of the screen, again we will use the pen up command. We have used pen up command. Now we will use FD300. Now the turtle has been shifted to the 300 steps to the right side without drawing a line. To draw a line, again we will use the PD command, that is pen down command. Now we will use the FD100. Now it will draw the line. Now we will use LT90 and FD100 to draw a square. Pen up command is used to move the turtle without drawing a line. And pen down command instructs the turtle to put the pen down on the screen and continue drawing. Now we will learn how to change the color of pen. To change the color of the pen, we'll click on the set tab that is located at the extreme right of the logo screen. We'll click on the set tab. After that we'll click on the pen color. Now the pen color window will appear. We will select any color and click on OK. When we draw a line with the help of FD command, it will draw a line of selected color. We can also change the color of pen for each line. If you want to delete this green line, so we will use the PE command. PE stands for pen erase. When we will type PE, after that we will press enter. Now the pen erase command will activate on the screen. Now when we use the fd command or bk command, then it will be activated. Now we will use the bk100. Now the line will be deleted. Now we will turn turtle face to the downwards with the help of RT90. Now we will use FD100. Now it will erase the line of 100 steps. Now we want to draw a line of 100 steps here. So we will use FD100 and we will press enter. You have noticed that turtle is not drawing any line because we have activated pen erase command. First we will deactivate the pen erase command with the help of ppt command. So we will type ppt and we will press enter. This command will deactivate the pen erase command. Now we have deactivated the pen erase command with the help of ppt. Now we will again use the fd command to draw the line. We will type fd100. Now it will draw a line of 100 steps. We have seen that after using pen erase command, we can't draw a line without using ppt command. After using pen erase command, we must have to use ppt command to draw the line. Now again we are using the pen erase command. We want to delete this blue line, so we will use the pen erase command. We will type pe and press enter. After that we will use the fd100. Now it will delete the blue line. In today's session you have learnt about pen up and pen down command, pen erase command, home command, clear the screen command, st command and st command. In our next session we will learn some more features of Microsoft logo. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.